Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can uninstall apps on your ZTE Blade A72S. First of all, you have to open the settings. Next, you have to find apps. Right now go for all apps. And right now pick application that you want to remove. In my case, it will be probably the Asphalt Nitro application. And click uninstall right here, then click OK to confirm. And as you can see, we easily get rid of that application. There's also some apps that you cannot delete, and it's for example the contacts, and it's all about the system apps. So all the system apps that you have as default when you set up your phone for the first, you cannot remove from the phone. So that's all for this video, hope you like it.